What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games. Currently sitting at 0.02463, down 0.6 on the day. Seeing market cap of 535 million. 24-hour volume, 34.39 million. So let's hop into the chart. So we can see here on the 1 hour time frame, we are still in our wave 2 pullback zone. I do think there's a high possibility we're putting in an ending diagonal, which consists of ABCs instead of impulsive waves. So we'd look to come down in an ABC and a 3. Let me just grab my brush quickly. So you would ABC down in a 3, you would ABC into a 4, and you'd come down to ABC into a 5 into our target zone for the wave 2. Now, if we were to come up and break this invalidation, because we have a wave 1 down, if we came up and break this invalidation, there's always the chance of a bullish breakout if we break out of this wedge as well and see continuation to the upside. We are currently in a Gala long trade, so either way will benefit if we drop down, as long as we don't break this low. My stop loss is below this wick low here. Then we can continue to ride it up even if we break out. I think the higher probability is coming down to retest the support of the wedge, but if we were to break out, we get back above this pattern, we hold the 20 EMA and we start to see continuation. Of course, there's always the possibility of the impulse to the upside. We did meet the 50% retracement because we're looking at a wave 1 to the upside. If you take a fib retracement from the wick low, you can see we did wick down to the 50%. So of course that is possible. So just watch this this falling wedge pattern for our friend Gala Games. All right, gang. So that's what we're looking at. The key resistance to watch is the invalidation at 0.0262. If this were to break, we could see continuation to the upside. But as of right now, it does look corrective in an ABC. And I think the higher probability is to see continuation down into this target zone before seeing continuation to the upside. We are in a long trade, as I mentioned, as well as 3 other trades. We're also in some Forex trades. My signals are $10 a month. I have made basic access to the Discord completely free. So the link is at the top of the comments, but the signals are still $10 per month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. You get access to my signals, daily analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays Forex signals analysis as well. Only $10 a month. And make sure to sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitget. Check out my full length tutorials. Make your first deposit. Email me your sign up email for a special bonus. All links are in the description. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.